Hi, I am Shah Yasir Arafat, a social media manager specializing in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok growth. If you are struggling to turn social media into real engagement and customers, you are not alone. Without strategy, results don't come. With over 4 years of experience in social media marketing and management, I help small businesses build consistent visibility, stronger engagement, and steady leads. I don't just create posts, I build growth system. I handle content strategy, short form video, community management, analytics, and paid ads like Meta and Google. Everything is built around performance, not vanity metrics. I use tools like Canva Pro, CapCut, Meta Business Suite, Buffer, and Google Workspace to keep everything optimized. My process is simple. First, I understand your brand, audience, and goals. Then, I create a structured growth plan, manage posting and engagement, and continuously optimize using real performance data. If you need a reliable social media manager focused on clear communication and real results, feel free to message me. I'd love to help you grow your brand with strategy, consistency, and real results.